two quick things. First off, we want to thank the Film Society of Lincoln Center for having us up here to Fantasyland. This is the one festival in 5 years where the air conditioner is not broken in the middle. So, thank you. We want to thank the Hong Kong Economic Trade Office, the Korean Cultural Service, the Japan Foundation. Our official airline sponsor, American Airlines, will be drawing 2 tickets to Tokyo in just a minute. And we want to thank Katana Hotel, which has been putting up our actors and directors. But we really, in a wind beneath our wings kind of way, we want to thank you guys. Asian movies don't get a shake in the US. It's no mystery. No one picks them up. They don't screen anywhere. But you guys come back year after year. Your ticket sales are what supports us. We've got a few sponsors. We're looking a little fancy these days. But honestly, the tickets you buy make up over half our budget. You guys let us break even every year, and we're so dumb that as long as we break even, we're going to keep doing this. Yeah! Every ticket you buy is a vote saying, hell yeah! I want some Asian movies. Get with it. So you guys are what keeps this festival going. And now, I know I'm the one who comes up and screams before every movie. However, I do not do this alone. Not even close. Dan Kraft is a member of Subway Cinema who's not here this year because of health reasons, so we're sorry. I think he's faking, personally. But I also, Garan Topalovic and Mark Walkow and I, we do this. We put it on our credit cards. Our wives hate us. And the 3 of us are who put this together this year. So please welcome Mark and Garan to the stage. Get up!
Talk over Grady.
Only girls use microphones.
When are you going to wear the big suit? When are you going to wear the big suit?
So we're giving away prizes.
Yes.
Prizes?
Yes, prizes.
No one wants to hear from you.
Prizes first.
Prizes? Okay.
The prize box.
We're giving away everything we haven't gotten rid of so far.
Oh, what do we have? What do we have?
What do we have? We have a bag of adventure. It's full of stuff. Adventurous stuff. Then we have
The books, yes.
the books.
For people who like to read.
If you can read.
Japanese horror.
Yeah, Luke Spiral Ring. All one-word titles. I don't see any big words. You can do this.
Yeah!
Then a case of toys from Kid Robot. Sort of half, 2/3 of a case. Of toys from Kid Robot. Some really terrible books. They're not that bad. Soul of the Samurai. Have you read these?
No.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't get 1 copy for it, Soul of the Samurai.
You get 4! Take them to the Strand, $1 a piece.
I think we're going to call the Booby Prize.
And then, in one of these prizes, I will be inserting, as is my way, a beautiful poster from the movie about the 4-inch tall Korean woman, Dust Kid. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 prizes, and then
4
we're going
winners.
Yes. Okay, 4 winners. That doesn't mean the rest of you are losers. It just means you didn't win. Try tomorrow. Okay, so I'll draw the first one, and then we'll move on down the line. Someone put in a postcard. Okay.
Yeah, we all did. Yeah, we all did.
Oh. The first winner, Bree Falcard. Bree.
What do you want?
Bree.
Tell us what you want. Stop moving. What do you want?
The bag, the books, or the toys?
Answer now.
Bags, books, toys. Bag. Take her a bag of adventure. Next one. Do you need a microphone, little lady?
Ouch.
It's probably Bree's friend.
Hannah Kim.
Hannah Kim.
Hannah Kim.
Right next to Bree.
All right.
Toys or books? Toys.
Box of toys.
Okay. Pick someone who doesn't sit next to Bree.
Pick a postcard.
No, pick that. You guys aren't being scientific.
Wait. What if it's not postcard? I can't even read the last name. Elizabeth McWillian.
Where is she? Is she sitting there? She is, way over there. Elizabeth, you get a poster and more books. Are we going to give her all this?
Do you want to give her the booby prize?
Yeah, give her
All right,
everything.
you get
Everything.
Poster.
And the poster. And those
One
books.
more. No, hold on. One more. You said 4. We got 4. Okay, 4.
I do this one?
Yes, you do that one.
How we put on a film festival every year is a mystery. Can't even draw prizes.
You don't talk to me.
God, we're retarded. Okay. Ha, ha, ha. Where's Mason Raider? Right there. Give that man those books. All right.
We doing this
Now, let's do this now. Let's do it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Folks, American Airlines gave us 2 round-trip tickets to Tokyo to give away to someone in the festival. This bag has every ballot we've given out for this festival. We will now insert your ballots into this bag of ballots.
Mix it up.
Oh my God.
More.
More in here. More in here.
Okay.
More. A couple more.
Postcard. Postcard.
They're all.
Suppose that they're all in.
All right.
They're all in. Okay. Scientifically mixed. All right. God, kids, don't put your heads in grocery bags like this.
Go try this.
All right.
How do they get?
Damn it.
And the winner.
All right, the winner.
Of 2. I hope they're round trip tickets to Tokyo. They get 2 tickets to
Courtesy
Tokyo.
of American Airlines.
Courtesy of American Airlines. Tyrone Turner! Right there! Tyrone Turner! You can do that!
He's here. Holy shit.
Tyrone!
See us after the show.
Yeah, we're here. See you in
Figure something out.
Tokyo.
It's a tournament of redeem. All right.
Okay, so the other thing we have to do, taking care of business here, is the audience award. We've been collecting ballots, and unfortunately you don't get to vote for Blades of Blood. Tough. They didn't send the director, so to hell with them. We give out the audience award every year. We don't like to think of it as one winner. We always like to say it's 1 or 2, because there are always mitigating factors. You know, Sammo Hung's here. Of course things are going to be up. You know, a director's here and he makes a sad weepy face and everyone gives him a better score. And also, we don't know math very well. So we like to give some allowances. However, the audience award this year in first place, and they were literally within points of each other, like that. And we thought, give them to both. So this year goes to a tie between Gallants. And this one really took us by surprise. Castaway on the Moon. Is that rascally director here? Where is he? Where is he? Hey, John, get your butt up here. Come on. Get on the head. It's the director of Castaway on the Moon.
It's good. I like it.
Where is he? Do we have a Korean translator?
I'm sure in this audience tonight there's
Does anyone speak Korean?
Raise your hands.
Who?
Can someone help?
Right there?
You're elected.
You're elected. Come on up. Okay, we'll translate what he says.
Yes.
Please.
이 영화제는 그 도쿄 홍보권 같은 상금은 없나요?
What'd he say?
Anybody.
Is there any prize
Is
for
there
the...
any winning prize here? I mean, the money.
Show me the money.
Wrong festival.
감사합니다. 이렇게 멋진 도시에 이렇게 멋진 도시에 초대받아서 이렇게 최고의 관객들을 만난 것도 큰 상이라고 생각하는데